Hi everyone, how are you doing? Today's video will walk you through on how to alphabetize in Excel. Before we start, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Now to begin, open up your MS Excel sheet containing the data you want to alphabetize. Now you select the range of cells that you want to alphabetize and you click on the data tab. After selecting the range of cells, you click on the Data tab. Now, in the Sort and Filter section, you can click on the Sort section or you can click on the A to Z or the Z to A depending on how you want it to alphabetize it. So let's click on from A to Z. Now, you have to choose additional options if you want to expand the section or continue with the current selection you made. So you click on it and you click on sort. Now as you can see, the data will now be alphabetized based on the selected columns. So that's all for the video guys. Hope this video helps you. Make sure to give it a try and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.